guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got a Walmart haul. I'm filming this on Labor Day weekend because it's the only time I had to do it, and this upcoming week is busy because Grady starts school on Tuesday. I'm going to be going back to work like in the office some of the time. So schedules are changing, things are going to be a little bit different, and I am ready for it. So this is everything from Walmart. I spent $115, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I got pretty much everything I needed for the week that I didn't already have. We are having some family over on Labor Day, so that is, some of the stuff here is for that. Coming up for the weekend. So I got some Sara Lee butter bread. This is just a good soft bread for like grilled cheese, peanut butter and jelly, any kind of sandwich. I also really like it with French toast. I got Grady some of the Great Value yogurt tubes. These are the strawberry and strawberry banana yogurt tubes. I got a couple cans of tuna fish because I like to have a couple cans on hand. I just used my last one up to make a tuna pasta, like macaroni salad with veggies in it for when my family comes over. I'm actually the only one that doesn't eat it because I don't like tuna fish. I got ranch because we go through that quite a bit with salads and dipping veggies. Some chicken broth because I want to do some chicken noodle soup at some point in the near future. I got a couple boxes of penne. Here is one, here is the other. And then I also got some tricolor rotini. I like to always have that for an easy pasta salad if I need to whip something up last minute. I got a large head of cauliflower because I'm going to do roasted cauliflower. I'm going to get back into meal prepping. Excuse me. I used to meal prep every Sunday and make like meals, and then I'd portion them out so I could bring them to work. But as you know, with the whole pandemic going on, I've been out of the office working from home since March. So this coming week, I'm excited to get back into the office some days and, like I said, get back in a routine. So I'm going to use this to make roasted cauliflower as like a side for some meal prep. I got a bag of this margarita pepperoni. It's just sliced pepperoni. I'm actually going to make like a little cracker cheese pepperoni platter today later for when family comes over. We got raspberries. I got this huge thing of blueberries. These look so good. These blueberries are massive. Look how big these are. So I got a huge thing of blueberries. I absolutely love snacking on these. I could just eat the whole container. They're so good. I got some bananas. I got greenish ones purposely because I already have some that are already yellow, and my son barrels through bananas. He eats one, sometimes two a day. I got a lime because my mom likes sparkling water with lime, and I never have lime. Well, hardly ever have lime when she comes over, so I remembered to get that. I'm also going to try these Great Value brand toasted coconut cashews. I've had something similar, well, similar as far as flavor from Trader Joe's, but I'm excited to try the Great Value ones because I can't always make it to Trader Joe's. Most of you guys know the closest Trader Joe's to me is just shy of an hour away. So I don't really get to go there that often. I got some Great Value quart zipper bags. I love the Great Value brand bags. I use the gallon, the quart, all different sizes. They're really good and a lot more affordable than like the Ziploc brand. 2 boxes of the Kraft Spiral Mac and Cheese. A big bag of Tostitos, again for when my family comes over. We're going to have chips and salsa. I got Grady's Danimal smoothies, or like the little shooters. He likes to have one of these in the morning. I got some sweet bell peppers, yellow, orange, and red. Some white, just regular button style mushrooms for recipes or skewers. I got Matt some of these snack packs here. So I've got 2 of the Natural Choice Hormel turkey and cheddar, chicken and cheddar, and they come with like nuts or pretzels. This one has almonds, this one has chocolate covered pretzels. They're just good little easy snack packs. And then also from the Hormel Natural Choice, I got the uncured salami, cheddar and crackers, uncured pepperoni, cheddar and crackers. Again, they're just good to throw in his lunch cooler for like a quick little snack. Got a huge bag of carrots. I went through my last bag. It took me a while, but luckily carrots have a long shelf life. Big thing of celery. Some cheese sticks for my husband. These are just the original string cheese. I got some shredded iceberg because I want to do BLTs one night this week. and I really like this lettuce. It's just really convenient, especially since some nights this week I won't be getting home from work until like after 6 p.m. Mayo, because we're running low on that. I got some family style Ritz. These are just the 12 stack pack, so they're like individually packaged, and I really like that because they stay fresh, and obviously you can just take out what you need. I'll be using a couple of these when I make the cracker cheese pepperoni platter, and I also like these to take on the go. Like if we're going somewhere for the day, we can take a couple of these and just, you know, use what we need. I discovered these a couple months ago, I think. We've tried every flavor. We've tried the brown sugar cinnamon, the strawberry, the confetti cake, and then the chocolate, I believe. I really liked them at first, but I find them a little bit too sweet. Now, I don't hate them by any means, but I'm kind of over them, but my husband really likes these, and actually I think Grady likes these, this flavor only. So I just grabbed, you know, a package of those. Again, snacks for lunches. I got some alcohol here for when we're having family over this weekend. So I got this Jack Daniel's Down Home Punch. Never tried it before. Probably won't like it. I'm not a big Jack Daniel's fan. But I just thought it was something different. My mom will probably try it. My husband will definitely like it. He likes Jack Daniel's. And then I also got this Baltimore Blonde. It's by Guinness. It's like a citrusy ale. I'm not a beer person. I just buy it. I don't drink it. So I could really care less. But I just try to get things that look different and interesting. I got the lightly salted Pringles. I don't know if I said jalapenos, but I got the jarred jalapenos. Football season is coming very soon. The first game is next week. So I'm very excited. Most of you who have been with me for a while know that we're just big sports fans. We love watching football and doing like munchy food. So I blow through these in football season because we do a lot of like sheet pan nachos when we have people over. Obviously this year will be different because we won't be having tons of people over, but I can blow through these pretty quickly during football. I got some yogurts for Grady. The Yoplait Original Blueberry. This is the no pieces. That's the only kind of yogurt he will eat with no chunks in it. 2 of those. One of the Starburst Orange also has no chunks in it. Also, I noticed that I've been buying the Wal-Mart brand tissues, the Great Value brand, for months now, and I actually like them better than Kleenex. But I noticed today that they have the ones with lotion, and since it's unfortunately cold and flu season right around the corner, I decided just to keep stocking up. We have plenty of tissues. I just want to keep stocking up because God forbid something happens and everything gets shut down again. I'll have everything I need. And we have a good supply of tissues now, so that's probably all I'll need to get for the time being. I got Goldfish individual packs for Grady. He likes to take these to school. He does usually ask me for a peanut butter sandwich every day, literally. Unfortunately, he won't really branch out, so it's pretty much the same lunches, like a peanut butter sandwich, one of these, a banana, maybe like a, yogurt pouch or one of these yogurt sticks, and then just his water. He's really not an adventurous eater. And lastly, I got these Capri Sun Roaring Waters. I like the clear ones. I also like the cherry. This is the grape, and I really enjoy these. I actually really like them a lot. My husband likes them. I put him in his lunch cooler when he goes, and they're just really tasty. So that's everything I picked up today for $115, and I'm going to share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week. Monday is Labor Day, which is tomorrow, the day you guys are watching this. We're going to have like a little barbecue with just our neighbors next door. They're just a super nice family, and we chat and hang out with them all the time. So we're just going to do a barbecue outside. The weather looks really nice. Tuesday is back to school and back to work for me in the office. I think I'll be working in the office like Tuesdays and Thursdays. As of now, we're doing kind of like a staggered in the office scenario, kind of like the schools are doing, but just in our office. There's about 60 people in my office, so they're doing like 30 Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then 30, the other 30 Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I have off on Fridays anyways, so that's why Tuesdays and Thursdays I think are my day. As of now, it's all kind of still all new. This will be the first time going back to the office since March. So because of that, I'm gonna do something in the crock pot. What I think my game plan is Tuesday when I come home from lunch, when I come home for lunch, I will throw something in the crock pot. I'll prep everything Monday since I have the day off for Labor Day, and then all I'll have to do is put stuff in the crock pot and set it. So that's the game plan for Tuesday. Wednesday, I'll be working at home, so I'm gonna do some sheet pan chicken fajita bowls. I'll just need to do the chicken, the peppers, the onions, and then the fajita seasoning. I like the McCormick dry seasoning. And I'll marinate the chicken the night before. So I try to always think the night before about the next day if there's anything I need to do. And all I'll have to do Wednesday, besides throw the chicken, the peppers, the onions in the oven, is make some rice, and then I might throw some beans in there. I actually think I have like half a can of black beans I need to use up. Thursday is game night. I know some people don't care about football, but it's we are Kansas City Chiefs fans, so our team is playing Thursday night, and they're going to have their Super Bowl banner unveiled, so we are definitely watching that. I'm going to keep it pretty easy. This will be another night. The other day I'll be working in the office, so I won't get home till about 6:30, maybe 6:15 if I'm lucky. So I'm going to do BLT sandwiches. I'll try and cook the bacon again the night before. If not, it is what it is, and then I'll just throw some oven fries. I actually have a bunch of potatoes to use up, so I might just cut up some potatoes and kind of toss them in some olive oil, salt, and pepper and just bake them. Friday, we're going to do the Oscars. I actually have it right here. I wanted to make sure I didn't have it in my freezer. We're going to do this Oscar Smokehouse Keobasa sausage with cheese. This is just a local smokehouse in our area. It's about a half an hour away from where we live, and we love their stuff. So we're gonna throw those on the grill probably to get them nice and crispy. And I might do like a hash brown casserole possibly. I am off Fridays completely, so will have a little bit of time to do that hopefully. And then I'll just do like a simple tossed salad on the side. Saturday, which is next weekend, my son is sleeping at his grandparents' house. Matt and I are celebrating our 13-year wedding anniversary. It's actually September 15th, but our actual anniversary falls during a weekday, so we're going to celebrate on Saturday, which is the 12th, and we're just going to go out to dinner somewhere. We don't know where yet, but somewhere that we've kind of a place that we both haven't. We want to go to a place that we both have never been to, just to try something different. So definitely looking forward to that. We haven't had a date night in quite a while, and that's the plan for the upcoming week. I hope you all have a great day. Have a safe Labor Day. If your kids are going back to school as well. I know the Northeast, a lot of kids are going back this coming week. So I hope everybody is safe and get back into your routine, and I will see you guys in my next video.